Ever wondered how some people seem to excel at everything they touch? It's not magic. It's a combination of skills, mindset, and strategies. Today, we're debunking the myth that you can't be good at everything. Let's dive in. The foundation of being good at everything is believing you can improve. Embrace a growth mindset. Understand that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Challenge yourself constantly, step out of your comfort zone, and view failures as opportunities to learn. While it's impossible to master every skill, developing core competencies can be a solid foundation. Identify your strengths and build upon them. For instance, strong communication skills can be valuable in almost any field. Focus on developing skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and adaptability. The world is constantly evolving, and so should you. Make learning a lifelong habit. Read books, attend workshops, take online courses, and stay updated on industry trends. Expand your knowledge base to become a well-rounded individual. Effective time management is crucial. Prioritize tasks, break down large goals into smaller steps, and eliminate distractions. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay organized. Remember, it's not about doing everything at once, but doing the right things at the right time. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Build a strong network of people from different backgrounds. Collaborate on projects, share knowledge, and seek mentorship. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and accelerate your learning process. Practice makes perfect, but not just any practice. Engage in deliberate practice. Set specific goals, focus on areas for improvement, and seek feedback. This targeted approach will help you master skills faster. Remember, becoming proficient in various areas takes time and effort. It's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins, learn from setbacks, and never stop exploring new possibilities. Embrace the journey of continuous improvement and unlock your full potential.